Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to see Apple ID password if you forgot. Okay, so this problem is very common. People tend to forget their password. Now the first thing that you can do is to reset your password. So to begin this tutorial, to reset your password, just have to click here, okay, this link. And then you have to enter your Apple ID. But if you forgot your Apple ID, you just have to see step 3. So I'll proceed. Now if you forgot your Apple ID, click forgot your Apple ID, then enter your information and click next. Okay, just follow this step. Now for number 4, you can unlock your account by verifying your identity. You can select one of the authentication methods and click next. So for email authentication, Apple will send you an email. Now for security questions, you'll have to answer the security questions Apple asks you when you first created the Apple ID. Okay, just have to type out that information. Now, if you choose email verification, click Reset Now in the email you receive. Okay, you'll see that link in your Gmail application. Okay, you just have to tap on Reset Now. Okay, once you verify your identity by email or security questions, you can reset your password and then enter a new password, confirm the password, and click Reset Password. And that's it, your password has been reset. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.